Hello everyone, welcome back to Kids Zone. Today, I'm reviewing a product that's been gaining a lot of buzz for boosting immunity, the Elderberry Gummies with Zinc and Vitamin C. If you're looking for a tasty and effective way to stay healthy, keep watching. First off, let's talk about what these gummies are all about. They combine three powerhouse ingredients, known for its antioxidant and immune-boosting properties. Zinc, a key mineral for maintaining a healthy immune system. Vitamin C, essential for fighting off colds and supporting overall wellness. Now, let's talk about the gummies themselves. Look at these, they're soft, chewy, and have this delicious berry flavor. No weird aftertaste, just pure yum. And the best part? They're gluten-free, vegan, and made with non-GMO ingredients. So good. Honestly, it feels like I'm having a little treat while taking care of my health. And unlike pills or syrups, these are super easy to take, just 2 gummies a day, and you're good to go. I've been taking these for a couple of weeks now, and I can honestly say I've noticed a difference. My energy levels feel better, and I haven't caught any of those pesky seasonal bugs. Plus, elderberry is a natural antioxidant, so it helps your body fight off free radicals, keeping you feeling your best. So, if you're looking for a convenient, tasty, and effective way to stay healthy, I highly recommend giving the Elderberry Gummies a try. You can grab them on Amazon or directly from their website. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future reviews. Stay healthy and take care. Thanks for watching.